How to change your Spotify country or region. To change your Spotify country or region, you will need to use a web browser, as this option isn't available directly in the app. Start by logging into your Spotify account on the official Spotify website. Once you're in, go to your account page and click on the Edit Profile section. Scroll down until you find the country or region field. Then select your new location from the drop-down list. After that, just click Save Profile to apply the changes. Updating your region ensures that your Spotify experience matches your current location, including access to local content and relevant payment options. This ensures your Spotify account stays up to date and gives you access to region-specific playlists, recommendations, and payment settings. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.